In this video, we are going to discuss what are the in-clinic procedures in a dermatologist office brides can take. So your wedding is near, you are a bride to be, and there are a lot of things going on in your mind, what to do, what not to do. So to make yourself ready for that wedding, skin ready, hair ready, right? To beautify yourself, these are the things that you can come to the dermatologist and do. Right, at home there is a separate video. In this video we are just going to discuss what are to be done, what are the things to be done at dermatologist clinic, right? So that depends on how much time you have before the wedding, whether it's 6 months, whether it's 3 months, whether it's just a few weeks, or whether there is just a week. There is a lot of difference. So if you have good 6 months in your hand, it is always better to begin early, a few months early, so that by the time your wedding approaches, you are full ready, your skin looks brighter, and that much is the time that your skin needs to adjust. Right now, if you have 6 months time, what all things can you plan? So you have to address the issues that are there with your skin, whether there is an acne issue, whether there is a pigmentation issue, whether there are lines, laxity. All these things have to be addressed in this few months. So correct your acne, go to your dermatologist, sort out your skincare routine, these things early on in the 6 months period. But with this, your changes and your procedures also go hand in hand with correcting the original issue, right? Second thing what you can plan is laser hair removal. So it's a good idea to plan it 6 months before, every month, 1 month setting, and by the time your wedding approaches, most of 70 to 80% of hair is gone. Addressing pigmentation. So this depends on whether you have a dry skin or whether you have an oily skin. If you have an oily skin, 15 days a peel session works very nicely, very budget friendly. It depends on your budget also, how much you want to invest with this pre-bridal care. Doing Q-switch lasers and peels for oily skin people will improve the skin tone. Doing microneedle RF will shrink the pore size and all. So these three things are very good for people with oily skin. Pigmentation, it works very nicely. If you have a dry skin, probably peels is not a good option for you. Hydrating medifacials, you can do it a few weeks apart every time till your wedding. And you can also combine this with Q-switch lasers, which work good on dry skin, followed by boosters. Skin boosters hydrate the skin, works very nice on dry skin. Now suppose if you have a few months left, if you are a mature bride, this is a point 3 months to 4 months when you start using your injectables, so that you know exactly how these injectables, the results of this plump lips, or if you want to erase the lines, if you want to do a little lifting and filling with respect to your sagginess, threads, these procedures you have to plan at least 3 months to 4 months in advance, so that you are happy with how these things look on your face. At 3 months, you can also plan for skin brightening procedures like peels, lasers, MNRF, energy-based devices depending on your skin type. Now, if it is only a few weeks, what you can do is just take a few medifacials, take a few peels, do a few Q-switch sessions to just brighten up the skin. You cannot experiment with your skin when there is only a few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks left. It is only a 1 week time that you have given to your doctor till your wedding. Then 1 week is a very less time. Don't experiment anything within this week's time, because the wedding is very near. Something might react on your skin, so don't experiment when there is only 1 week left. What you can do is probably a medifacial, which just gives you a little glow, or probably take a Q-switch session, which will just brighten up the face, or do a laser hair removal probably 1 week or 10 days in advance to remove those extra hair. Other than that, you don't have to experiment anything. So these are a few procedures: 6 months time, 3 months time, a few weeks, and a week. So along with these procedures, you will have to take care of your skin, but what is important is your diet, a balanced diet. Take a lot of salads, take a lot of antioxidants in your diet. You can also take supplements in which your glutathione as well as your omega fatty acids will help you balance those things, give you a little brightness. And antioxidant rich fruits, particularly yellow fruits like papaya, oranges, not mango. There's a lot of sugar in breakout closer to your wedding, but these things you can take in your diet. Drink a lot of water, and in your kit you can use sunscreens, tinted sunscreens in daytime functions, which will give you a little coverage, and if you don't want to use too much of a makeup, it works just fine. Keep your lips, your skin hydrated, everything moisturized. wear the sunscreen not only on the face but body also. So be happy, keep glowing, and happy wedding.